The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delayed Hire, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Eritrean Community Festival celebrated in Scandinavian countries. Computer technology training for police and security members. Russia says hitting Ukrainian army's depots. And largest wildfire double in size to 164,000 acres in California. On our local news, the 26th annual Eritrean Community Festival in Scandinavian countries was held with vibrant festivities on 25th July in Stockholm. Themed Peace Anchored on Resilience, the event drew numerous Eritrean nationals and friends from around the region. During the opening ceremony, Mr. Alem Thlagergis, chairman of the Holiday Coordinating Committee in Scandinavian countries, highlighted the special significance of this year's festival, which coincided with Eritrean cyclist Binam Girmay's historic win of the green jersey at the 2024 Tour de France. He praised the robust turnout of the enthusiastic participation of the community. Mr. Alem emphasized the festival's role as a pivotal national gathering where Eritreans reinforce their unity, discuss the current conditions of their homeland, and ensure the younger generation inherits and cherishes the social values. The festival was featured a variety of cultural and artistic performances alongside seminars focused on the homeland situation and border, regional, and the global issues. The Dakamhara Police and Security Training Center recently provided a one-month training course on computer technology and internet usage for 25 members of the police and security forces, including 19 women. The trainees, who came from various regions of the country, participated in both theoretical and practical sessions primarily focused on combating crimes. Major Andom Hari, head of the police training at the center, stated that the program was successfully implemented, equipping participants with crucial technological skills. The attendees praised for the training opportunity provided and expressed their commitment to applying the new skills to enhance their day-to-day operation at their respective workplaces. A seminar organized by the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare branch in Mansoura subzone brought together residents from 10 administrative areas to address harmful cultural practices. The seminar focused specifically on urgent needs to eliminate underage marriage and female genital mutilation. Mr. Ainom Yamane, head of the branch office, urged attendees to fully understand the adverse health effects of these practices on women and enhance their participation in ongoing prevention efforts. He highlighted the sustained awareness campaigns are yielding positive results. Nurse Khasta Solomon, who oversees health facilities in the subzone, provided a detailed briefing on the severe impact of FGM and underage marriage, particularly during pregnancy and childbirth. Participants unanimously agreed on the importance of continuing these educational efforts until such harmful practices are completely eradicated. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Stay tuned. Welcome back. A war of embracement between Russia and Ukraine forces continued on Thursday, with the Russian side claiming attack on the latter's arms and fuel depots and other targets, while Ukrainian side saying repulsing several Russian offensives. The Russian Defense Ministry reported that the Russian army occupied more favorable positions on the front line on Thursday, striking Ukrainian munition and fuel depots, electronic warfare base station, and other targets. Russian air defense system intercepted multiple Ukrainian rockets and drones, it said. Dmitry Peskov, the press secretary of the Russian president, said on Thursday that in general Russia is open to negotiations with Ukraine, but the country needs to know how ready Ukraine is for negotiation first. In a recent interview with BBC, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky expressed the possibility of peace talks with the Russian representatives, including Russian President Vladimir Putin. On our last news. Already the largest blaze in California this year exploded to more than 164,000 acres by Friday morning, with its rapid spread forcing for evacuation warnings. The growth of the fire over 2 days, aimed steady wind, and hot temperatures has been dramatic, with its remote location making it difficult to fight. It was listed at 286 acres Friday morning and 3% contained. Conditions on the ground are going to continue to be a challenge, forecasters said. Forecasters warned there could be wind gusts up to 30 meters per hour pursuing a blazed north, combined with low humidity through Friday evening, which can cause new fire starts and ongoing wildfire too, growing rapidly and dangerously in the size and intensity. The Bottle Country fighters battling the park fire remained, focusing on protecting structures and the public until additional crew arrived. We've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. Eritrean Community Festival celebrated in Scandinavian countries. Computer technology training for police and security members. Russian says hitting Ukrainian army depots. Large wildfire doubles in size to 164,000 acres in California. That wraps up our stories for tonight. Thanks for watching and have a good night.